Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple process of clearing the cache in the SHEIN app on your Android phone. Clearing cache helps improve app performance and frees up storage space. So let's get started with the easy steps. First, open the SHEIN app on your Android mobile device. Next, tap on the Me icon at the bottom. Then, tap on the Settings icon at the top right corner. Then, scroll down until you see the option to clear cache. Click on Clear Cache, and finally, confirm by selecting Yes. That's it. The cache has now been cleared successfully. Thanks for watching. Clearing the cache regularly can keep your app running smoothly. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.